Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Math JAE CBSE classes. In this video, we are discussing about parabola, which is in the conic section. Exercise 11.2 NCERT solutions we are going to discuss. Here, directly I am coming to the exercise 11.2. I already made number of videos in my other channel. That other channel description is provided, the link is provided in the description. Once you go to dear students, we have to start that the discussion. Before that, wait 2 minutes. Yeah, let us discuss the questions which I already wrote on the board. In the exercise 11.2 is all basic questions of parabola which are there. In-depth detailed concept I explained in my other channel Maths with Phaneendra. In that, in the description I provided a link to get the concepts and all. Let us have a discussion the question here. In these questions, what they are asking to find? They are asking to find for the given parabolas focus, axis, directrix and length of latest rectum. So the four information regarding the given equation of parabola we need to calculate. First, given equation of parabola is of the form y square is equal to 4ax. So this is the standard equation of parabola where a is always greater than 0. Distance between vertex and focus a is called. For this type of parabola is like this one. Y square is equal to 4x parabola. This is the vertex equation. Vertex. This is the focus. This is the directrix. For y square is equal to 4x, the directrix equation is x plus a equal to 0. Focus s of a comma 0. Vertex a 0 comma 0. For all these type of parabolas, vertex is 0 comma 0 only, origin. So directrix we got. This is axis. The line which is passing through the focus is called axis. Indirectly here it is x-axis. X-axis. X-axis is the axis. That means what? Y is equal to 0 only. Y square equal to 4ax. Compare the given equation with y square is equal to 4ax. 4a is equal to 12. A is equal to 3. After getting the value of a, focus, coordinates of the focus, s of a comma 0, s of 3 comma 0, that's all, it is a focus. We got it. Next, directrix equation. What is the equation of directrix? X plus a equal to 0. Equation of directrix. X plus a equal to 0. That is x plus 3 equal to 0. A value 3 no. Next, length axis. Equation of axis. X axis. That is y is equal to 0. X axis indirectly is y is equal to 0. Next, after equation, length of latest rectum. Length of latest rectum. In box, you have to write LLR, length of latest rectum, is equal to 4a. What is 4a value? We got it here according to the question 12. This is the way. Even in the intermediate public exam also, 2 marks question they make chances to ask like these questions. Dear students, you understand that. Out of these exercise completely maybe chances to ask 2 marks questions. Now come to the question number 2. In this question number 2, this given equation of parabola compare with x square is equal to 4ay. First I will explain the given equation of parabola, how it will be first. This is upward parabola. It is symmetric about y-axis. When x is having even power, it is symmetric about y-axis. So upward parabola, this is in the form. This is vertex, this is focus. Focus lies on the y-axis. It comes as 0, a. This is the dielectric equation. X plus, not x plus, y. Y plus a equal to 0. Vertex is always 0, 0, my dear students. This is axis. Axis equation is y axis. That means x is equal to 0. Okay. So first compare the given equation of parabola with the x square is equal to 4ay. So 4a is equal to 6. A is equal to 2 3s are 2 2s are. A is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. After that, after completing all this, we need to write a value, we got it. Next, focus. Focus of the parabola, x square is equal to 4ay. What is focus of the parabola? S of 0, a. S of 0, a. That is equal to S of 0, 3 by 2. Next, equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. Y plus a equal to 0. So y plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. If we simplify, 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Just take LCM and simplify it, students. Next, equation of axis. Equation of axis. Clearly it is y-axis now. Y-axis means in brackets, that is x is equal to 0. Next, length of lattice rectum, LLR. I am writing already, I wrote length of lattice rectum LLR. So length of lattice rectum 4a. 4a value is how much here? According to the question is 6. That only we want, dear students. I hope everyone understand. So now come to the question number 3. Y square is equal to minus 8x. Y square is equal to plus 12x means the curve is right side. Y square is equal to minus 8x means the curve is left side. This is y square is equal to minus 4ax curve, dear students. So exact this information will turn into this one. So focus will becomes minus a comma 0. Vertex is 0 comma 0. And directric equation x minus a equal to 0 will come, dear students. This is called directrix. Okay. So focus, vertex, directrix, length of lattice rectum is always equal. Whatever the type of parabola, it will be equal. So first compare with y square equal to minus 4ax. What comes here? So minus minus cancel, 4a is equal to 8. So a is equal to 2 will come, dear students. 4 1s, 4 2s. So first focus. Focus equal to s of minus a comma 0. So it is equal to s of minus 2 comma 0. After focus, equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. Equation of directrix is what? X minus a equal to 0. So x minus 2 equal to 0. We got it. Next, equation of axis. Equation of axis. What is the equation of axis? This is only axis equation, dear students. So axis means x-axis. In brackets, y is equal to 0. Next, length of lattice rectum LLR equal to 4a. What is 4a according to this? 8. We got this information. Next, come to x square equal to minus 16y. We'll do it first. Why? Because already x square is equal to 6y, we already done upward parabola. X square is equal to minus 16y, which is downward parabola. It is looking like this, dear students. So negative axis means s will become 0 comma minus a, it will become y minus a equal to 0 will come. So what are the changes? This is the axis. Axis means y axis, dear students. This is the directrix. So first compare the given equation of parabola with x square equal to minus 4ay. Minus 4a equal to minus 16, anyway minus minus get cancelled. A is equal to 4. Even here also we can write like this, but directly minus will be cancelled now. Next, after a, focus s of 0 comma minus a, that is equal to s of 0 comma minus 4. After that, focus next equation of directrix. Equation of directrix is what? Y minus a equal to 0. So y minus 4 equal to 0. Next, equation of axis. Equation of axis. What is the equation of axis? This only, y axis. Y axis means in brackets x is equal to 0. Next, LLR, length of lattice section. 4a. What is 4a according to this? 16. Okay, students, now we'll go to question number 5 and 6 directly I am writing. So here, this equation compared with y square is equal to 4ax. 4a is equal to 10. That implies a is equal to 10 by 4. 2 5s are 2 2s are. So a value we got it. After getting the value of a, y square is equal to 4ax means what is the focus? S of a comma 0, that is equal to s of 5 by 2 comma 0. Focus we got it. Next, equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. X plus a equal to 0, that is x plus 5 by 2 equal to 0. So after taking LCM and simplifying, 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Next, equation of axis. So y square equal to 4x means like this, no? Axis means x-axis. In brackets, y is equal to 0. Next, length of lattice sectum LLR equal to 4a. That is equal to 4a value is what? 10. Okay, students, we'll move to another question. X square equal to minus 9y. Compare this equation with x square is equal to minus 4ay. Here, 4a is equal to plus 9. Minus 4a equal to minus 9 means 4a equal to 9. That implies a equal to 9 by 4. After getting the value of a, x square is equal to minus 4 means it will be like this, downward parabola. So focus. So whatever the information we wrote here, the same thing we are following. 0 comma minus a, which is equal to s of 0 comma minus 9 by 4. Next, equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. Y minus a equal to 0. That is y minus a value minus 9 by 4 equal to 0. After simplifying, 4y minus 9 equal to 0. Equation of directrix is also over. Next, equation of axis. Equation of axis. In brackets, you can keep it as y-axis. That is x is equal to 0. Next, LR, length of lattice sectum. 4a. What is 4a value? It is 9. Okay, dear students, I hope everyone understand. We will move to another set of questions. Slowly I will explain. Next, other set of questions we will do it. In the coming days, I will provide all solutions of NCERT. Now, almost integration completed and circles completed. Integrations almost completed. I think one or two exercises. Indefinite integration completed. Definite integration, 2-3 exercises only completed. The remaining I am going to complete by the next month. But it will help you. A number of questions are there. All questions I did. Those who want, you can. In each of the following questions, from question number 7 to 12, 5 questions are there. Find the equation of parabolas. Find the equation of parabolas that satisfies the given conditions. So what are the conditions that we are going to write? Question number 7. In question number 7, what information is given? Focus 6, 0 and directrix x is equal to -6. Next, in question number 8, focus 0, -3 and directrix y is equal to 3. So by using the given information, we need to solve the equation of parabola. So focus S of 6, 0. So whenever a, 0 means obviously the equation of parabola is in this form only, no? So this is S of 6, 0. This is vertex A, obviously 0, 0. From here to here distance is equal to A only. That is A is equal to what according to the question? A is equal to 6. Compare this value with S of A, 0, dear students. So directrix will be here, directrix Z. So this is x is equal to, x plus A equal to 0 will come. According to the question, x equal to -6 means x plus 6 equal to 0, you know. So how to calculate? Directly we can write A is equal to 6 means y square is equal to 4x. But we need to follow the geometrical condition, dear students. We will also do easily. Let us consider one point P of x, y on the parabola. Let P of x, y be any point on the locus. On the locus means here, according to the question, is parabola, the equation they are asking. On the locus. Since P lies on parabola, SP by PM is equal to E. For parabola, E value goes to be, for parabola, E is equal to 1 only. That implies SP is equal to PM will come. So that implies conceptual teaching I am doing, dear students. For you people can understand the concepts. Otherwise directly A is equal to 6, substitute in y square is equal to standard form, y square is equal to 4ax, you will get the answer. A is equal to 6, substitute directly, y square is equal to 24x will come. But I am not doing that one. The way how it comes. SP, distance between these two. Square root of x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to PM means from this point to this line perpendicular distance mod x plus 6 divided by root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. Y coefficient is not there in 0, you can keep it. So ultimately the denominator value is 1 only. Squaring on both sides, dear students, x minus 6 whole square plus y square equal to x plus 6 whole square. So x minus 6 being that side, y square equal to x plus 6 whole square minus x minus 6 whole square. So y square equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. 4ab. 4 into x into 6. So y square is equal to 24x, which is the required equation of parabola. Which is the required equation. The required equation of parabola. Okay, dear students, we'll move on to another question. Here focus is 0, minus 3, the information. 0, minus 3 means it is lying on negative y-axis. So based on that you can go. So the figure you can take like this, dear students. This is focus 0, minus 3. Obviously this is the vertex now. From here to here how much distance is there? A is equal to 3. When you are taking a value is always greater than 0, dear students. Keep in mind always. But when it is direction, it is mentioning this here minus 3 will be there. Obviously it is directrix. Y is equal to 3. That means y minus 3 equal to 0. Directric equation. Directrix. Okay. Here also let us consider one point p of x comma y on the parabola. By definition of parabola, let p of x comma y be any point on the parabola. Any point on the parabola. Then we have the standard result. We have the geometrical condition. SP by PM is equal to 1 directly write it because we already know here. So that implies that SP is equal to PM. That implies that what is SP here? Distance between these two. So root over x minus 0 whole square plus y minus of minus 3 whole square equal to PM, perpendicular distance from x comma y to this line. So mod y minus 3 by root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. Squaring on both sides, dear students. So x minus 0 whole square is x square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to y minus 3 whole square. So y plus 3 whole square will be this way. X square equal to y minus 3 whole square minus y plus 3 whole square. A minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square is minus 4ab. So minus 4 into y into 3. So x square equal to minus 12y, which is the required equation of parabola. Which is the required equation of parabola. When focus and directrix is given, if you want description method, this is the way you can do, dear students. Otherwise, directly I said no. When a is equal to minus 3, y square is equal to minus 4ax, if you write a value minus 3 substitute in this, you will get minus 12x. So direct answer also we can get it, dear students. So x square is equal to this. So this is the way. But you have to know according to the subject knowledge, like how to do that, how to get the geometrical condition and all. Yeah, 1 minute, dear students. We go to another set of questions. Question number 9. Here the provided vertex 0, 0. Next focus 3, 0. In this question number 10, vertex 0, 0. Focus -2, 0. Based on this information, they are asking to find parabola. So how it comes? So based on the information, first to draw the figure. 3, 0, it lies on the positive x-axis. So this is y square equal to 4x figure. Vertex A 0, 0. Yes, A of 3, 0. Okay, dear students. Find the equation of parabola they are asking you. So Z we need to calculate. How to calculate Z value directrix? Otherwise, directly when vertex and the parabola is given, we can directly write it as this is A. So A is equal to 3 only, no distance. So one vertex and focus is given. So Z coordinates are, we will get it as -3, 0. Why? Because vertex, let Z is equal to x, y you take. How it is? A is the midpoint of SZ. This is the directrix equation, dear students. Directrix. Vertex is equal to midpoint of SZ. So vertex means 0, 0 equal to midpoint. This is x, this is y. X plus 3 divided by 2, 0 plus y divided by 2. Cross multiply 0, 0 equal to x plus 3, 0 equal to y. So x is equal to -3. X value, y value substitute means we will get -3, 0, you know. Next, here x is equal to -3 equation. So that means what? X plus 3 equal to 0. Like previous problem, we can consider SP equal to PM. Let P x, y be any point on the parabola. Then we have SP is equal to PM. That implies SP square equal to PM square. SP square, distance between these two, x minus 3 whole square plus y square. PM is from point to this line perpendicular distance, x plus 3, point is x, y. Mod x plus 3 by root of 1 square plus 0 whole square. So that implies x minus 3 whole square plus y square is equal to x plus 3 whole square. X minus 3 whole square, bring that sign. So y square equal to x plus 3 whole square minus x minus 3 whole square. So y square equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. 4 into x into 3. So y square equal to 12x. This is the way we can get it, dear students. Okay. If you come to this question, same. Focus is -2, 0 means -2, 0 means negative x-axis. It comes like this, dear students. This is vertex A of 0, 0. This is the directrix. Z point will come. This is x, y. Focus S of -2, 0. So obviously it is 2, 0 will come now. Directly I am doing instead of this method. Otherwise write it. Let us consider here the point P of x comma y, and here x is equal to 2, x minus 2 equal to 0 is the directric equation. So this method I already explained, dear students. Let z equal to x comma y. A is midpoint of, once again I am writing here students, midpoint of SZ. So 0 comma 0 equal to x minus 2 by 2, y plus 0 by 2. So 0 equal to x minus 2 by 2, 0 equal to y by 2. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. So therefore z coordinate z of x comma y equal to z of 2 comma 0. We wrote it already. Next, let p of x comma y be any point on the parabola. Then we have SP is equal to PM. That implies SP square equal to PM square. So that implies SP square x minus of minus 2 whole square plus y square equal to. So perpendicular distance from x comma y to this line x minus 2 mod x minus 2 whole square by root of 1 plus 0 whole square. No? So y square equal to x minus 2 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square. So y square equal to a minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square minus 4 into x into 2. So y square equal to minus 8x. This is the way we can simplify, dear students. I hope you understand. Yeah, more 2 questions are there, I think. We'll finish it, the 2 also. The question number 11 is vertex 0 comma 0 passing through 2 comma 3 and axis along x-axis. Next, question number 12, vertex 0 0 passing through 5 comma 2 and symmetric with respect to y-axis. So we'll finish it as these two. First, come to the question. What they are asking is vertex is origin and passing through. Find the equation of parabola whose vertex is origin passing through 2 comma 3 and axis is along with x-axis. So the parabola clearly they mentioned like this. Vertex is 0, 0. So a value given. They did not given focus. Yes, it is not given. And it is passing through 2, 3. Somewhere else I am taking. The point is given. I hope you understand, dear students. And axis along x-axis they mentioned. Axis along x-axis. So this is the dielectric equation. Dielectrics. We don't know about focus. We don't know about dielectrics. Z is the point of intersection of axis and the dielectrics. Okay. So how we will move? How to get this? Axis they mentioned along x-axis. So how it comes the value of A? Anyone? Any? Write in the comments box, dear students. Anyone? No one is writing comment box. Yeah, okay. We know whenever the figure is like this, what is the geometrical form? It is y square equal to 4x only. It is the standard form or not? Let the equation be, let the equation of parabola whose vertex is 0, 0 and axis along x-axis and axis along x-axis is y square equal to 4ax. Keep it as equation number 1. This equation is passing through which point is given? 2, 3. Equation 1 passing through 2, 3. In place of x and y, substitute 2, 3. So what comes here? 9 equal to 4a into 2. That implies 9 equal to 8a. That implies a is equal to 9 by 8. Okay, dear students? I hope everyone understand. This a value you have to substitute in this equation. We can get the answer. A equal to 9 by 8. Substitute in equation 1. We get these type of basics I already explained in my other channel. Once you go to dear students, in the description box I provided the link also. Y square equal to 4 into 9 by 8 into x. So cross multiply 2y square equal to 9x, which is the required equation of parabola. We'll move to the last question in this session. Vertex is 0, 0 passing to 5, 2 and symmetric with respect to y-axis. Symmetric with respect to y-axis means the figure will come like this, dear students. This equation is x square is equal to 4ay. So what we have to write here, let the equation of parabola, whose vertex is origin and axis along y-axis and axis is symmetric with respect to WRT, with respect to y-axis is x square is equal to 4ay. Sir, I can't write minus 4ay. You can write it, but they mention negative x y-axis if they will ask. So equation number 1. Equation 1 is passing through which point? Equation 1 is passing through 5 comma 2. So wherever x comma y is there, 5 comma 2 substitute. So what comes here? X square means 25 equal to 4a into 2. So that implies 25 equal to 8a. So a is equal to 25 by 8. This a value, a equal to 25 by 8, substitute in equation 1, we get x square 4 into 25 by 8 into y. 4 ones, 4 twos, cross multiplying. 2x square equal to 25y, which is the required equation of parabola. I hope everyone understands, dear students. Those who are watching first time about our channel, please do like and subscribe. If you really like these videos, please share to your friends and relatives also. Thank you for your support. Jai Hind, Math, JEE, CBSE classes. Thank you all.